Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the best entry point for trading Volatility 75. If you have been looking for the best way to trade Volatility 75, or probably how to make Volatility 75 market successfully, then you need to watch this video to the very end, okay? Because in today's video, I will be highlighting some key points that you need to take note before you jump into your trade, and what you need to do if a trade is going against you. These are some of the things which we will be looking at in today's video. Okay, but first, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before diving into your real account with this strategy. Okay, it is always important you perfect your skill first before going into your real account. This is very important, and if you must perfect your skill, if you must practice your practice with any strategy or trading tool, do that on your demo account, not your real account. This is very important because I want you all to make money. Okay, that is the purpose of investing into this platform. Okay, so if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you will also find them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, quickly before we go into what we have for today, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market so that we will know what to look out for whenever we are trading. Okay, so we'll be starting with boom 1000. For boom 1000, it's been on uptrend for a very long time. You can see it started the uptrend down here. Okay, it started it from here and it's been going up and up. It has made an attempt several times to come back on downtrend, but was unable to break the support successfully. This is the first place that it made the attempt. You can see the blue changing to yellow, but it was unable to break this support level, and it spiked up again, and it made another attempt here, and it also spiked up again at this support level. Okay, it was just about breaking out from that support level when it spiked up, but this time around, I believe it's going back on downtrend fully. That is, if it breaks this support level, if it breaks this support level successfully, then it should go on a downtrend journey to this level, even if it must spike up again. Okay, that will be all about boom 1000. Let's check out crash 1000. For crash 1000, I will be using the crusher indicator to do my analysis. In my last analysis, okay, for boom 1000, I use the signal indicator. This is how the signal indicator looks like. For crash 1000, at this moment it is on uptrend. You can see our buy arrow here got confirmed a bit late. Like I said, when you are using the crusher indicator, you don't just follow the arrows alone. Make sure once you get the arrow, you also confirm it before you jump into the trade. Okay, we got our buy arrow here, it got confirmed here just after this resistance level, and it's been going up since then. Okay, it's been going up since then. So already you can see our exit arrow popping out, so you should exit the market now and wait for the next direction of the market before you jump into the trade. So it is more favorable for those that are buying at this moment than for those that are selling. Okay, so if you are the type that loves selling, wait for the direction of the market to change before you jump into the market. Already for those that are buying, they must have gotten more than 60-minute candles at this particular point, which is which is giving them a cool opportunity to milk the market successfully. Let's say they are earning $2.5 per minute. Okay, $2.5 per minute, and that actually gave us 65 minutes candles times 65. Okay, that is about $162. So this is how I do my calculations. This is how you see those live trading that I do once I am sure of the trend and my analysis is correct, I can easily come in, and just a single trade is actually giving me $162. Okay, what if with my trading capital, if I'm able to open about 5 or 10 of these, that should be giving me lots and lots of money. That is why it makes it very easy for me to achieve my $1,000 daily target. Okay, so let me say I open this in 10 places, that is about $1,625. Can you imagine that? So it is even possible for me not to get to this level before closing most of my trades. So this is how I do my analysis. So if you are asking how I've been taking the live trade, how I have been doing my analysis, I don't just do analysis, I also do my calculations in order to achieve my trading target. Okay, I don't just open order unnecessarily. I do my calculations so as not to also lose. Okay, and I make sure I come in at the right trend, so that even if the market goes against me, I can still leave my order open in order to go back to profit. Okay, so that is the way I trade. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with Boom 500. Here I'll be using the scraper QDC scraper indicator. It is an amazing indicator that helps you know the trend of the market, and if you should look at it, it's been on a very long uptrend from here. If you should look at it, it's been on a very long uptrend from here. It's been spiking up and up and up, going up, and it came down to this level because it's reversed back a bit. But if you should check it out, it is still on uptrend, so it started spiking up again, okay, till this level. So this is where, if you are actually having a good trading capital and you are using the right lot size for it, this is where you should exit your market. On this candle, you should exit your market. Right now, it is telling us that it is going back on downtrend. Okay, it might take some times before it will break this support level totally. Okay, once it breaks this support level totally, you should see it shooting down for a very long time. Okay, that is the way it works. That is the way it works. So let's check out what is happening with Crash 500. For Crash 500, it's been on a long downtrend for a very long time. Right now, it's trying to pull up, but yet to decide fully. Okay, let's check out what is happening with Crash 1000. For Crash 1000, as you can see, it is on a very long uptrend. Okay, so I'll be stopping here with my analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And you can also join the Telegram channel so that you can learn directly from me. There are some freebies that I usually post on the Telegram channel, so you can also benefit from that. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe, to this channel, kindly do so now, because you are missing a lot. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it, so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So right now we are going into what we have today, which is best entry point for trading Volatility 75. So this is our Volatility 75 platform. Let me quickly chip in this so that you will understand the way it works. Okay, most newbies came into trading of synthetic indices as a result of boom and crash. Okay, because of the steady movement of boom and crash into the profitable level. So most of the time they don't have the idea of the spikes that occurred there, so they felt that that is the way it works. Okay, so after experiencing the spike, they run away from boom and crash, and they try to go to Volatility 75 with the sense that it is not having the sudden spikes in it, but they have forgotten that Volatility 75 is more volatile, and also Volatility 75 does not have the steady movement into the profits Okay, it does not have the steady movement just the way it boom and crash are having. Okay, just the way boom and crash are having. So what do? They want to come into Volatility 75 and start making profit just the way they used to in boom and crash. Okay, see, I need to let you know this. Okay, for Volatility 75, number one, it is highly volatile. I will say it is even the most volatile asset, okay, among all the synthetic indices. Okay, so another thing I'm going to say is that the movement is not that steady. Okay, you can go into it now and you'll be seeing -50, and later on it will definitely go back into profit. But if you are not comfortable enough, if you are not convenient enough with the rates, you will close your trade you will close your trade at loss, and at the end of the day it will look as if nothing is working for you, no strategy is working for you, or probably you are not doing it rightly, or maybe the trading tools you are using is not giving you the right indication. Okay, so this is not so. Even if you are in the right trend, okay, I'm going to explain something to you briefly. Okay, check it out. This is a downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend. Let's say you decided to come in here. You can see, let's say you decide to come in on this candle, on this particular candle. You can see that after coming in, it went up. It went up. So that can actually put you, if you are using, that is why I always tell you, understand the assets you want to trade, understand the market before you jump into it, and also understand the trading tools you are using, and use the right lot size for the trading capital you are having. Okay, use the right lot size for the trading capital you are having. Okay, check it out. It went up, try to pull back a bit. Let's say you actually closed it here. Check it out, it came down. You can see that it came down again before going up here again. So that is it, and that is still the same asset. It is still the same trend that got you to this level. You can see it coming down. So all these are not magic. Okay, it goes up and down when you place your order, so you need to be patient. Once you are sure of the trend and you are using the right lot size for your trading capital, then you are cool to go. It will definitely take you back to profit. Okay, except if you are not sure of the trend, that is when it will take that is when you won't make any profit on it. And when you are setting your take profit, make sure you use a reasonable, you set it at a reasonable place. Okay, do not set it at a place that's it won't get to immediately, or on it won't probably you want to make the whole profit that day. Okay, so you shouldn't set it too far away from your entry point. Okay, make sure you put the support and resistance in mind whenever you are setting your take profit. This is very, very vital and important. Okay, so how do you now understand your entry point? Okay, like I said, this asset is a trend trading asset. As you can see at this stage, that the trend is telling us that the market is on red, that is, the market is on downtrend. You can see it falling. It started the downtrend from here. You can see it going down and down and down. Like I said, once the market is on downtrend, follow the signal that supports the trend. Follow the signal that supports the trend. You can be in the market from there till the market will change from downtrend to uptrend and exit here. You can exit your trend here. Okay, then another way to go about it is, okay, check it out. This is an uptrend. Okay, the uptrend started from here. You can see the arrow here. It started from here. So you wait for your buy arrow to come out. The buy arrow came out on this particular candle. You can see when it came out, it came down. It sold for a while before going up. Okay, so let's say you decide to place your buy order here. It sold for a while before going up, but check it out. After breaking that resistance level, check it out, it went up and it keeps on going up and up and up and up. Not that it is just going up like that, it is going up and down, but more of up than down. Okay, that is how amazing it is. But check it out here, it even came down a bit. Okay, let me put the horizontal line. Okay, it is there already, so that we will know if it has gotten back to our entry point or not. Okay, check it out. You can see that it didn't get back to the entry point, and it asks us to exit the market here because the direction of the market is changing. The direction of the market is changing from uptrend to downtrend. So check it out. Check out the margin. Check out the profits you would have made if you had entered somewhere here. If you had entered somewhere here, you would have made all this profit on a very long trend. So that is how to trade volatility 75. That is how to spot your entry point. So you can spot your, let me quickly do a quick recap before the end of this video. So for you to spot your entry point, you can start with the trend, okay, and come in once you get your buy signal. Then another way to go about it is, okay, let's say we are already on an uptrend. Okay, you've seen the trend, it is already on an uptrend. All you need to do is just to follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, what is the signal that supports the trend? The signal is here. We got a buy signal here, so you can come in and trade and buy till you see your exit arrow, which is your sell arrow. You exit here. Okay, each time you see your buy signal, you can always come in and buy. Each time you see your buy signal, you can always come. This is another one. You can always come in and buy. And once you see your exit arrow, your sell arrow, you exit the market immediately, because you don't take this sell signal because it is against the trend of the market. This is another one. You can see it. So and you exit here. You don't take the sell arrow because it is against the trend of the market. You can never say the one that will that will go against you. So stay away from the signal that will that is against the trend of the market. So that is how to identify the right entry point and the right exit point whenever you are trading your volatility 75. I believe you have learned a lot from today's video. Okay, so take your time and study this video over and over again. Practice on your demo account. Make sure you perfect your skills. Whichever strategy you want to use, either following the trend alone or combine the trend and the signal. Okay, whichever one you want to use, make sure you practice the two and perfect it. But I'm going to give you a quick note. Okay, if you want to follow the trend alone, you want to make the market from the beginning of the trend to the very end, make sure you have enough trading capital and use a reasonable lot size for it, so that you won't burn off along the road. Okay, so that is the way it works. So I will be stopping my video for now. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen. Feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.